Kwa Jenga Nyumba Standard campaign, this is one project yenye tumekuwa tukishughulikia for the last 3 months, and it has been very fruitful because this is a project we are doing after doing another project for this same client, and I would say imekuwa fiti sana. It has been a journey. The 2 months zimekuwa of checking drawings, architectural, structural inspections, and ensuring that the structure imetokea venye the architect alikuwa amechora. So ukiangalia vizuri, it's a more of classical house. It's one structure that tumefanya na roho yote in our company, and I'd say if you're considering building a house, it's very important to tafuta architect kwanza. You go through every single detail and every single room ikiwa kwa design, because when imeanza kujenga you will have less changes. For this particular project, we've not changed a lot, only 2 or 3 critical items, and imekuwa fruitful sana. So if you are looking at kujenga, and maybe it's your dream house, because this now is a dream house, unaweza try as much as possible kukuwa na details za kutosha. So this is one project yenye tunashughulikia. I'll show you another one. Na tutaendelea kufanya nini? Kazi safi. Sawa. So see you on the next video. I've taken you around. Asanteni sana. Have a good one.